Hey, this is Gregg with City Restore. Gonna remove this glue off here, show you how it's done. Okay, let me show you again real quick. Doesn't come off. This is the rental portion of this. Okay, I'm gonna put some flash on here without turning the film off. We're basically gonna throw some flash on here. Get it coated. Okay, now we're gonna wait. Watch flash dry. It'll remove the glue. You'll start to see it, but you got to give it about 20-30 seconds on here before I grab the razor blade and go back. I have plastic razor blades that come in our kit, but just to show you that it actually will remove this. So here's a plastic razor blade. Now it comes off real easy. You see all that stuff come off. So we'll start with the E. See, bloop, 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 bloop. It's going away. Way easier than it was. So just so you can see, it starts to take it all off of there. Obviously we have more on this R that just comes right off. And you can let it sit on there, it won't hurt the paint. So, but all right, stay tuned. I'm gonna show it on time lapse of taking this whole thing down.